Hi everyone, today we learn how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. The VLOOKUP function in Excel is a powerful tool for searching for a specific value in a table and returning a corresponding value from another column. It stands for vertical lookup. Here's how you can use the VLOOKUP function. The lookup value, this is the value you want to search for in a leftmost column of the table array. The first column is the value you're trying to match. The table array, this is the list of cells that contain the data you want to search through. The leftmost column of this rank must contain the lookup value, and the data you want to retrieve must be in the subsequent columns. The column index number, this is the column number within the table array from which you want to retrieve data. For example, if you want to retrieve data from the third column of the table array, you would enter number 3 here. Rank lookup, this is an optional parameter. If you enter 2 or omit this parameter, VLOOKUP will find an approximate match. If you enter false, it will find an exact match. Using false is often preferred when dealing with text value or when you want an exact match. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use VLOOKUP. Now we have a cell table. We need to fill out the price for the cell table from the price list. Now you press equal, then we can write down the VLOOKUP function VLOOKUP, and you can double click on the VLOOKUP function. In order to appear the window for VLOOKUP function, you can click on the fx function. Now the VLOOKUP function window is appear, and we can fill out the parameter of the VLOOKUP. First, we choose the apple. This is the cell B3. Now you move to the table array. This means the price list. And in order to get orders the result for exactly, we can press F4 on the keyboard. Now move to the column index number. We want to get the unit price on the price list. So that means the unit price belongs to column number 2. So we enter number 2 here. The rank lookup. Rank lookup, we can put the false or can put the 0. First, we can put the false right here. That means we want to look up exact match. If you enter 0 here, it's the same result. So we have 2 ways to do the VLOOKUP rank lookup right here. We can put false, or we can put 0 right here. Then click OK. Now we can apply for the row below. So this is the price for the we can get from the price list. That is how the VLOOKUP function is running in the Excel. Now we can do it one more time. I delete. First we press the equal. Another way is we can click on this right here, and we can choose the VLOOKUP function right here. If we cannot see the VLOOKUP function here, we can choose the more function. Now it's a function box is up here. We can choose any function here and press another V to get the V function, and we can find the VLOOKUP and then click OK. We can get the window of the VLOOKUP function. Now we choose this and table array, press F4 on the keyboard. Now the column index is number 2. We need to get the unit price. It belongs to the column number 2. Rank lookup, we can put 0 or 4 like this. Then OK. Now we can apply for the round below. That is how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. Thank you for watching. My name is Mr. Cảnh. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks, and see you next time.